टेल मी अबाउट परवरिश, few lines कि कैसे start हुआ था, because we have talked about you didn't want to be a parent and now you're a parenting coach. तो ये journey को if you have to explain कैसे करोगे?
Okay. So I told you why I didn't want to be a parent, because I said it was tough. I saw everybody struggling. I said यार मेरे को ना life में ये struggle नहीं चाहिए कि यार अब बच्चा हो गया है तो अपनी इच्छाएं नीचे कर दो. The wife says कि ठीक है I'll take a back seat in my career or you take a back seat in your career. ये नहीं करना है. और फिर उसके बाद खाना आपके पीछे किसके पीछे उसके पीछे नहीं करना है. And a thought which started triggering at that time that the world is so beautifully aligned. Like we breathe oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. All the trees do the opposite. We feed them, they feed us. If you look at everything in the universe, the distance between the earth and the sun, वो थोड़ा हिलता ना तो या तो हम ठंडे हो जाते हैं या जल जाते हैं. The angle, मतलब the way the whole thing is constructed is so perfect. The human body, the way it works, the way it self heals. एक कट मारो तो कोई लिक्विड बाहर आ जाएगा अपने आप और उसको हील कर देगा. आपकी बोन टूट गई है, you just keep the bones together for a while and
they joins.
So इतना beautiful constructed world है, universe है, तो यार इसका भी कोई reason होगा. इसका ये पागल सारे पागल क्यों हो रहे हैं यार? That's where the question said, and the first question I said I don't know parenting. The first thought was मुझे नहीं आती. अब नहीं आती तो क्या कर? सीख, ढूंढ. And that's where the whole started. यार reading, observing children, observing parents. Why is he saying something like this? Why is a parent behaving like that? Because डांट के भी रो रहा है, गुस्सा करके भी रो रहा है पेरेंट, मार के तो बहुत ज़्यादा रो रहा है, गिल्ट में जा रहा है, तो यार कुछ तो होगा. So I started reading about people, reading about stuff. And the start point was the book by Dr. Wayne Dyer, which says, what do you really want for your children? That was the turning point. And then I was a vice president with Max Life Insurance, earning whatever I could have earned at that time, at that age, and 34. तो उस वक्त ये भी नहीं छोड़ा यार था कि इतने पैसे आ रहे हैं यार, इतना life is luxury now. So the second thing was I did the Landmark Forum, where I learned that at the end of life is तुम्हारी फोटोग्राफ दीवार पे टंगनी है जिसपे हार्ट रहेगा. Whether you're a pauper or you're a king, that's the final destination. अब इस रास्ते पे कैसे जाना है? And the question which came up to me was कि what do I want to say at 60? I played full out. I tried. I took risks. Or should I say to यार मैं डर गया और मैं ना वही नॉर्मल धर्रे पे चलना शुरू कर दिया कि ठीक है यार ये ना ये चलो लाइफ ऐसी चल रही है, ऐसी चलने दो. So the answer was very clear. But I didn't have the guts to take the plunge also. So I just remember the date I actually went up to resign. So I went up to my boss's room. He was sitting in a classroom. I came back. अंदर देखा, वापस आ गया. 2-3 चक्कर काटे. And then I called up Monica, that's my wife. मैंने कहा Monica नहीं हो पा रहा यार, वहाँ जा रहा हूँ, पता नहीं वापस आया था. कहते अगर कोई और नौकरी ले रहा होता, जॉब चेंज करा तो कर देता ना. हाँ कर देता. कहते जा कर दे. मैं ठीक है मैं जा रहा हूँ. So I went there. I didn't think. मैं सीधा गया, दरवाजा खोला, मैंने कहा संजीव I want to talk to you. हाँ क्या हुआ सडनली? बैठ. मैंने कहा अब तो अंदर आ गया, अब तो देना ही पड़ेगा. That's where it started. So by that time I had done some research. We have done some work with Aman. It was working. It was simple. But it was just a talk that okay, this is the way we should be doing. This is the way we shouldn't be doing. ये structure कोई नहीं था. But वो plunge मार दिया पागलपन में. और अगर कुछ सोचा होता ना कि हाँ ये बिजनेस कैसे बनेगा, ये कैसे चलाएगा, तो नहीं कर पाता. वो बस वो पागलपन छाया और कर दिया और it went. And after 2-3 years, I just spoke to a few people. I went to schools. Nobody listened. क्या बकवास कर रहा है, मिड एज क्राइसिस हो रहा है, पंगे ले रहा है, जिसका मन करे स्कूल में घुस जाओ. बट वन ऑफ द स्कूल्स एक्चुअली गेव मी अ स्पेस एंड सेड अच्छा बात कर ले. एंड देन द प्रिंसिपल केम बैक एंड सेड दिस इज मेकिंग सेंस. आई सेड हाँ ठीक है. कपल ऑफ इयर्स लेटर आई मेट अ फ्यू पीपल हु सेड यार इसको ना ऐसे नहीं करना पड़ेगा, यू विल हैव टू बिल्ड समबडी, यू विल हैव टू गेट पीपल. सो आई गॉट इन पीपल हु हैव स्टडीड child development, child psychology, human development, human psychology, understood brain science. So we got a team together who started creating this entire structure. So right now we have a structure which we take parents through. It's a 2-month long program.
Okay. What is the ideal time? मतलब क्या
We
ideal
meet-
time होता है parents आपको join करते हैं?
Like, if you ask me what's the ideal time to join this program, when your child is about 2.5 to 3,
Perfect time है.
the best time, the perfect. It's simple, it's easy, it gets implemented and you're on. But when do parents come to us? Mostly teens. जब ना अरे भाई अब आग लग गई है, अब कुछ नहीं हो रहा, अब 12th का बोर्ड है, अब ये है, वो करियर है, वो स्कूल नहीं जा रहा, कॉलेज नहीं जा रहा, पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा, करियर के बारे में सोच ही नहीं रहा, बदतमीज हो गया है, ड्रग्स में चला गया है, अल्कोहल कर रहा है, ये सब तब आते हैं मरते फिरते. That's 70% of parents.
Is some case beyond saving आपके category में?
We've coached parents whose children have been 35, 45. So grandparents have done the program.
And
And
the results are good?
It's so what we've created, Shivang, is a system called No Limit Family System. It's a system and it works. So there are 3, if you really ask me, what do we do in those 2 months? So we meet parents twice a week. 2 hours on a Tuesday evening, 3 hours on a Saturday morning. Currently the 78th batch is running. 78th right now as we speaking. Today is the Tuesday.
Okay.
They'll be doing the second session. So the first part, which takes about 3 weeks, 6 sessions. We create a space where your spouse and your children are like this. There's nothing hidden between you. Whatever you speak, your parent can listen, understand, empathize without making you wrong. And you can listen to your parents without making them wrong. You could be saying diametrically opposite things. ऐसे communication. There's nothing hidden. Nothing. तेरा स्कूल जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, तेरे को किसी लड़की को देख के कुछ फील हुआ, तो जाके बता सकता है, डैड आज ये फील हुआ. And you won't be made wrong, you won't be judged like that. So that is created. Imagine the families like this now. The next step is we take parents through a process where, not one process, but about 6-7 sessions of it, that you hand over every responsibility of his life to him or her. Their food, their eating, their studies, their health, their hygiene, their routine, their screens, everything.
In the second week.
Not the second week, second part of it.
Second part.
So this takes about 3 weeks, that takes about 3.5 weeks.
Okay.
And including you're talking to your children about sexuality, giving them complete sex education, training them how they can protect themselves from abuse, how about studies, screens, the works.
Everything.
And you hand over everything to the parent, to the child. And you are a support structure. Will your child fall at times? Yes. And you know how to support. Now imagine the families become this. And the child has taken over everything. अब पेरेंट क्या करेगा? वो सुबह उठ रहा है, खाना खा रहा है, स्कूल जा रहा है. हाँ, मैं प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ, खाना मेरे को लेके आना है, स्कूल की फीस मेरे को देनी है, वो सब मैं कर रहा हूँ ऑब्वियसली.
As a witness.
And you're a support structure. When they
And a
fall,
support,
things
हाँ.
will happen. Things involved, and you're just involved in making sure that it's taken care of. The last part of the program talks about how do you handle failures, because when they go out in the world, failures are going to hit them. Peer pressure, sibling rivalry, the stress of exams, the stress of performance, the stress of relationships, that part. That takes 2 weeks. So in about 8.5 weeks, everything is set, done.
And this is offline.
And this is right now online. So people from all across the world can participate without a problem. Before COVID, it was all offline. But thanks to COVID, the structure, if you really ask me, is now much easier to implement for parents also. Because you get bit sizes. 2 hours, do the stuff for 3 days, then take something else, do it for 3 days. And this structure is so created that there are coaches available, you get one-on-one support, and the world doesn't end there. After 2 months, we've built a lifelong support structure. So the parents who did our program in 2014, we meet them every third Friday of the month from 6 to 7:30. forever. And the price of this is 0. We don't charge for this.
You must be passionate about what you do.
So वो ना, और वो स्ट्रक्चर इसलिए कि यार बच्चे बड़े होंगे, चेंज होंगे, टीनेज, प्री टीन्स, adulthood. Things will happen in life which we don't even know. We are not prepared. So we keep creating more stuff, keep supporting and keep making sure कि यार तुम ना महीने में 1.5 घंटा आ जाओ, गप्पे मार लो, बात कर लो, सुन लो and remain in this space. Simple.
Nice.
There is not a single question which is stupid in this world. There's not a single wrong question in this world. It's a question which is in your head. मतलब कोई बच्चा अगर मेरे को आके बोलेगा कि यार the earth goes around the sun goes around the earth. Even that's not wrong. दिखता तो वही है ना. नहीं, आप मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते, हर बच्चा बोलता है ना आपको जाके कभी ना कभी. तो यार उसके पर्सपेक्टिव से वही है ना ठीक. तो मेरे को बैठना है, अच्छा यार अग्रीड, तेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है, चल बात करते हैं, क्यों लग रहा है, मैंने ऐसा क्या किया. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, मैं लड़ नहीं रहा हूँ. इट्स नॉट अ क्वेश्चन, आई एम नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग यू, आई एम आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन कि हाँ यार, यू फेल्ट दैट आई डोंट लव यू, आई गेट इट, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट डिड आई डू एंड व्हाट शुड आई डू टू एक्सप्रेस माय लव फॉर यू. तो भी ठीक हो जाएगा.